Top 5 Best Weight Loss Tips. There are tons of weight loss tips available today. Though most of them are effective, it's important to consider that there are several weight loss tips that require certain factors for optimum results. Watch this video till end the list and discover the tips that apply to your case. Share them with your friends and encourage them to start a healthy lifestyle with you. Number 1. Choose healthy foods and limit your portions. Select foods that have low calorie and fat content. Processed foods should be out of your daily menu as well. Use a smaller plate while eating. Various studies confirm the close relation between the amount of food you eat and the size of your plate. Despite facing extreme hunger, those who use small plates find it easier to control their portions while eating. Number 2. Regular exercise and the right amount of sleep. Commit to a regular exercise program. By doing so, you'll not only increase your metabolic rate, but also introduce positive effects to your heart's health, and burn excess body fat in no time. Weight loss can be easily achieved if you maintain at least 8 hours of quality sleeping time. Several researches prove that people who sleep less than 8 hours a day tends to gain weight easily. Number 3. No to junk foods and chicken skin. Chicken skin is a big no, since it's teeming with unhealthy fat. In fact, removing the chicken skin can help you save 100 calories per piece. Clear all the alcoholic drinks, junk foods, fatty foods, and sweets away from your refrigerator and kitchen cabinets. Instead of these unhealthy foods, stock up vegetable and fruits. Number 4. Prefer low-fat milk and don't forget your favorites. Don't be deprived from eating your favorites. The best approach is to consider them as rewards. Eat a controlled amount of your favorite food after achieving a goal to boost your morale and keep you going. Skim milk is the best option you have as it has low fat content. If you can't resist drinking sodas, choose those that are formulated for individuals who are on a diet. Number 5. Minimize your coffee intake and walk more. Avoid adding cream in your coffee. Coffee added with whipped cream or plain cream is known as one of the many culprits of a healthy diet. It will destroy all your efforts to lose weight, particularly if you consume an average of 5 to 6 cups of coffee every day. Those who can't survive a day without sipping a hot cup of coffee but are still interested in losing weight can opt for black coffee without sugar. Thanks for watching. If you think this channel is helpful, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for more video.